about to reach the farmhouse. So let's see how this place is. We are pretty excited, and this is like you need to take left very close to National Park. You need to climb up to see the road, and let's see how the stay is going to be. So watch the vlog till the end, and if you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Yeah, Justin.
So let me show you from the outside. Finally we reached the farm. If you can see the huge gate, the Anemane farm. Yeah, it's kind of rustic. Hold on, Silesh. There is some noise coming from the forest, man. Nobody is in the farm, by the way. You can see that forest. From there I could hear some noise, man. Silesh is coming, and then from the outside it looks like this. Very old, eco-friendly farm, homestay. You can see like this. Typical village type homestay. There's the pond over here. Total swimming there. There it is. Let me open the gate for Silesh. It's a nice place, man. It's a lovely place, very peaceful, nobody around, only nature, birds chirping.
Hey lovely people, another weekend. Saidi explores again to a beautiful place. You could see the background. No human being at all. Hardly you'll see people here. It's only nature, and that's what we like. Even Justin is loving it. He has a big area to play around, and if you like different types of birds, then this is the place. Simple.
Exactly, yeah.
Lot of peaceful sound from the birds. You could listen right now as we are talking.
We are extremely having a lovely time over here in this homestay.
Justin, come here.
Anemane Homestay. We have a caretaker, but then the rule is like we can't rely on him for everything, because this is made something which is where when you come over here you got to do everything. You got to experience all the village life. We are just sitting underneath the tree. Really nice feeling that we are getting right now. I think you need to have this homestay in your bucket list. It's a very, very beautiful place. You are really going to have the village experiences if you come over here. So yeah,
Watch the vlog till the end, and if you're new to the channel,
just
for this guy, subscribe.
In the midst of the forest, looks like this from the outside. It's very, very nice. It looks very, very beautiful. We are just getting the village vibe over here. Let's go inside and see how it looks. Look at this, man. Look at the entrance. They have kept all the rules here of the cottage, and it looks like this. Let's go inside. We have to open our shoes, and as you enter, it looks like this. There's the dining area over here, refrigerator, and that's my favorite place. Kitchen. You have got the sink, you have the gas. You can just grab all these utensils from here, and you've got everything over here. Your vessels to cook, rice cooker is there, so it's so convenient. This is the wardrobe. Look at this, man, it's really, really nice. There's the work station over here, work table for you. Look at the view outside, man. Oh my god, that looks so beautiful. See, I said, right, it's surrounded by forest. and it's like well fenced, by the way. There is no AC, by the way. You can expect this. This is the washroom. It's super clean, guys. It's really clean. This is it.
Let's go. Sunset. You could walk here. Look at this. Nobody's there. Wow, man. Look at this. 2 people.
It's 8 at night and Silas is busy making the fire there. Let's experience this as well. We're gonna cook something there. I've just marinated this brinjal. It's about an hour now. Food is all ready. Gonna have rice. This is called as emadasi from Bhutan. And then we have aloo ki dal and baigan bharta. We are waiting to prepare that on the fireplace. So this is how it looks at night. It's quite cool here in this room, man. We can hear some noise from outside there, from the jungle area. It's pitch dark. It's like this outside. Here, Silas is in the process of making the fire.
Trying, right? We were able to do the village firework for the first time after a long time. And we'll try and cook here something. Let's see.
In goes the brinjal, baigan. We are making baigan bharta. So let's roast it.
Let's go. Village experience. Lovely. Pasta is ready. What is this called, Dimple?
Baigan bharta. It's ready now, just to mix it. Justin's food is ready. We are going to give him now and we are going to eat later. We are going to show you what we have prepared also. So yeah, Justin, come. Come. Look at him, he's waiting for his khana. He's waiting for his dinner. Justin, are you hungry? Justin, are you hungry? Hungry, bhai?
Let's go. Dinner is ready.
This is with cheese. How much do you want?
Okay. Aloo ka dal, aloo ka jhol, aloo ka sambar.
How much? Okay. This is what we made. Steamed rice, aloo ki dal, baigan bharta, lemon is there, and then that is dish from Bhutan, Ema Tasi. Let's enjoy the dinner. This is how it looks. Nobody around. Salish and Justin. We are just walking him after dinner. Look at that, man. It's like totally darkness. That's all forest. And there's the lake down there. Good morning. It's 6:30 a.m. in the morning and just got up. Let me take Justin for a walkie. This is how it is. Early morning Nazare. Ooh, squirrel is there. Okay, so Justin, good morning. Justin, good morning. You want to go for a walk? Justin, you want to go for a walk? Justin, you want to go for a walk? You want to go for a walk? Where is your leash? Where is your leash? Okay, so let's go for a walk. Salish is still asleep there. Lot of monkeys there. Lot of birds chirping. This early in the morning. I can see that turtle there swimming inside the pond. Sunrise there. Nobody, man. Trekking the route as well down there, but if you need a guide, you got to call them up and ask them if you want to go for a trek, nature walk. There's some charges that they take. Quite good feeling in the morning. Weather is good. Anemane, this property, it's not only this cottage that they have down there also one more. Yesterday we had showed you that. Looks quite rustic from the outside, old. Typically it looks like a village kind of house, but when you go inside there is a little bit of comfort and modern touch. What I can say is you can see we are in the jungle right now. Part of the Anemone's property. There the cottages are, and we are at the back. They have the orchard over here. And then I think it's an open jungle, man, by the way, because we are not going there since we have Justin. It's quite risky also. Yeah, possibility there might be wild animals coming at night. No, Silas? To drink water. So that's the entry of the jungle. Quite open, man. You can expect wild animals from there. We are not going right now because we have this little fellow with us. Returning to the stage.
So breakfast is getting ready. Let me open this small window.
Oh.
And it's time to go after some time. Breakfast is ready. Dimple is having her own nature time there. So Justin is here. This is the stay that we have. Very, very beautiful. And look at this surrounding, man. That's the Bannerghatta National Park. What a beautiful place. We are just loving the vibe of this place. Dimple is there. Look at the roof, and the house is a beauty.
It's a very small, cute OTC gift from us for this Anemane hosts. Actually, this is the idea created by Stylish and Dimple. Basically, this is a car perfume. It is handmade totally. Look at this. It's a very cute monk here. You get a perfume also. It's a car perfume. So you can apply it on the doll and hang it in your car like this way. Isn't it cute?
And if you want to order, do comment down below.
Yeah, something unique also.
Yeah.